indignation about things, I must say that at the end of the day, a protest is also a last resort mechanism. It's where citizens don't see how they can influence the policy process. They don't see how they can get the government to take something urgent and seriously, that we have to come to this. Listen.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Demo. April, we be dekeke. April. Hey. Revolution has a long way to go and has come to say April we muna in a friend revolution, the power of the people. you see, kama no, you see or you see kama ye beach, kama you see a beach na kama ye beach no, NDC fountain as I say in buy, and ne, I mean ukasi. Omo ankrofo a omo ta omo echi e bra na mo opposition krofo na omo sponsor omo say omo make Akufo-Addo ni ba omo government and popular ade AyEka omo ka say we ni kra say ye omo confusion nyina no say sankrofo nyina they are turning against them, and there are many reasons for which they are turning against their own paymasters. Bakuni say a lot of people have been promised things. Udi echia, uye demonstration, uko say, uko pay, uye say, uye dede say, uye di ube share ha. Na, ukacha ni panso di ube share ha no. The moment we win the election, cry pay, as I say, umane pan appointment, because you have already committed yourself. But what is happening is there is a reality of power. Now that reality of power is that no matter what you do, you cannot satisfy everyone. You cannot. And the people will be hurt, people will be disgruntled, and with the disappointment in their heart, they will turn against you. And you see, when you have weaponized human beings, what done human beings weapon? Now shooty or more against Abayana or Abayana. They know the strategy now. They've learnt it. And this strategy, they are coming to use it against you. And they say, Yen Mia Voma or Oliver Baka. Yen say it has been is established now. Say Oliver no NDC. Because he worked at the presidency under Tamils and even the earlier part of John Mahamad's administration. Uko ni biography. Na ewo university bia or any PhD wo ewa manoneno. It is stated clearly there say or ye leftist ni say or NDC ni. They say Oliver say enough is enough. Enough is enough. He's tired of the John Mahama administration and the inability of the John Mahama administration to tackle the Galamsey menace. And onu Oliver realizes say sa Galamsey and sensema AyEka no. And yes John Mahama onti me fine be wiye o. Owo tumi a obetime de be wiye. Just say onu John Mahama no on pese oye.
In 4 months, the kind of serious we've seen the government being serious on other issues. That we think that if it was committed to this, a clearer roadmap towards this would have already been unveiled. And so for us, the reason we are mobilizing back into the streets is a reminder to the government, not to say necessarily that the government has caused this problem, because I think we're quick to put every issue of a protest into the frame of did they cause it, and so why are we not giving them time? Maybe some of the things I've heard. That we are showing the government that we citizens are asking that this is a serious and important issue, and for which reason we are stepping out onto the streets. And for me, that reminder is important. I think Carla talked about getting the citizens behind the government. Well, if it needs a mandate from the streets to remind it that this is something that we are demanding a more pressing action on, then we are giving it to the government. We are marching in solidarity for the government to take more serious measures on this issue. So this is what this protest is going to be about. We are thinking about organizing this on the 1st of May, which is May Day. When you think about it, when there's a problem and you're calling for help, you shout May Day, May Day. Well, this is a cry for help. And so on the 1st of May, we are going to step out and we are mobilizing towards that effect to shout May Day on this Galamsey problem. And it's our hope that so many of us who often sit on the sidelines would see that no, this is beyond politics. This is beyond our daily bread and keeping conveniences of fraternizing with ministers that we love to do. Let's show up and be able to, hold government to the urgency of the problem that we are facing. And that's what this is going to be about.
Now, we be say say, and then His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. What 2 million 2 million naira. Omampeni. Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces. You can say, go here, they will go. Stay here, they will stay. Sleep here, they will sleep. Kneel here, they will kneel. Why is he failing to use that authority? Answer is simple. Very, very simple answer. And the answer is that it is because his people are accomplices to this whole grand destruction of our forest reserve, of our water bodies that we are experiencing. Simple and tight. Very, very simple and tight. Ufi say anka MPP4 na omuye galamsey na NDC wa ban mo. Mama will not be in hurry to arrest them. He will be in so much hurry. Now, only me there was something in name. Ubekaya last year honum. Fees the country 4 years now musi obuko galamsey demonstration. It was a galamsey demonstration nemono. Court ka say they should not gather. Okay? Because of the issues with the routes and some back and forth our money police have. Despite that court order, they violated it and went ahead with the demonstration. During the demonstration, they started causing damage to public property. So the police had to intervene. Now, during the intervention of the police, Obekaya, Oliver Bakavomao, Papa we ran into a police vehicle, removed the key from it, ran away with the key, and threw it away. Threw the key to the place where no one can see it. The policeman couldn't find the key. Sa Oliver Voma we arresting no. Obekaya, Sami Jemfinim, Efelisofusu Kwacheum, and the rest. They ganged up, and Akufo-Addo, a culture of silence. Akufo-Addo, the press freedom is under attack. Any sensembe brave. Sema na ni na no mukaye. Say Akufo-Addo onpe democracy. Akufo-Addo onpe so hand you over. Akufo-Addo say. And I'm just looking forward, say. As fees the country for we are some demonstration, I be first May. We all wait to see, say Oliver Vomao, any in Crawford, say na omudi a boar trees and other stuff to bar road to cause traffic illegally. A binder that car and I must say they did not have the power to talk. Say na otimira police car yiki. No to key nature no. Let's see say or hear the same thing under NDC. Police for be kasa na say omun kasa. Enu pa na mebo. Ni bompa say during demonstration no. Say police for horses ebia Oliver Voma would pull one policeman down from the horse, climb on the horse and start galloping. And let's see if the police will react. And I say Oliver Voma will go and sit in a police car, decide to drive it away, and let's see if the police will react. Come on, you see a beach. Come on, ready. Thank God we are seeing these days. We live to see. First May never back. First May never back. So one can some kind because the enemy say omu bet me from beyond close on a GG a more 200,000 say no famu jing cause so na cause pepe bentina and they will cancel the demonstration. But that notwithstanding 28th, 29th, 30th, the biggest demonstration after Kumi Prekoba, led by Okatechi Afrifa and Afenyo Markin.
Hey,
Empire Abedra. This has been a political round with me, the voice writing on Ghana and 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.